Hello, we're here. I'm here at the Shopper's workshop.
Welcome.
Thanks.
What are we making?
We're making axes.
Okay,
Yeah.
awesome.
To make the axes from some really old rusted axe heads. And we got a twist.
What's the twist?
The twist is that we are making one axis each, and then we're gonna swap the axes. So I'll take yours, you take mine.
Okay.
And we're gonna each make a sheet for it.
Awesome. So you'll make one for mine and I'll make one for yours.
Yeah.
Okay,
Right.
cool. Yeah.
Let's look at the axes. They're all from my father-in-law. Be sure to check my link to Alex's pretty much cooler channel, cooler video. You'll see.
Not true.
Yeah. This one. Okay, Shopper promised me that I can use this machine, but this machine didn't work, so then I had to use the
And by didn't work, he meant he broke it.
Yeah, I broke a bit. Okay, flat this time. Okay, getting pretty good. Okay, time to put a hole in the axe head, and to do that I get some help from Chappelle with this beautiful Bridgeport machine. Okay, come on, get to work. Okay, we both finished with the grinding. I'm super happy. So we're gonna get out the forge and we're gonna go outside.
And now straight into the oven for a couple hours of tempering.
Okay, back at my workshop. Axe is done. I'm not sure what kind of axe it is. I'm guessing I will use it as a small splitting axe. Hope you like it. The deal now is that we're gonna make a holster or sheath for each other's axes. So that will be my next video.